bathtub. So I'm just gonna put the camera on fast forward. So enjoy. It took us 6 hours to fill up this bathtub with all this Nutella, but I can tell you, man, it's worth it. I mean, I wish you guys were here and just smell the room. Even just the smell is enough to drive you insane. I'm so excited for this one. So let's go in. Whoa.
Astaghfirullahaladzim, banyak betul lah. Coklat Nutella. Membazir lah dia. Bagilah orang Palestin makan. Apalah Mat Saleh ni, dia pergi mandi kat Nutella dalam bathtub. Bagilah orang Palestin makan. Kesian orang Palestin. Membazir lah dia ni. Bazir je dia. Dosa lah kalau dia mandi kat dalam bathtub. Banyak coklat Nutella. Coklat Nutella tu nak makan, bukan untuk nak mandi. Astagfirullah, banyak. Gila lah dia ni.
Guys, this is insane. Whoa. I'm definitely not gonna waste any of this Nutella. I think I'm gonna eat it for the whole.
Janganlah membazir.
Let's have some fun.
Biar orang dia.
Try getting out from this bathtub. Let's see what's gonna happen. I can't.
Pada muka dah tak boleh nak keluar. Dah tak boleh nak keluar dalam bathtub. Itulah siapa suruh mandi Nutella banyak. 600.
Guys, I feel like my life is complete right now. I mean, look at this. A bathtub full of Nutella. This is heaven. I can literally
Jangan membazir.
eat myself right
Jangan
now.
membazir. Siap. Jangan nak mandi sangat dalam Nutella dalam bathtub. Takut.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Because if you did, I'm gonna send you a Nutella.
Dah tak ada. Tak payah duit. No duit. Jangan. Biar dia. Gila lah dia. Kan jatuh